Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be installing another wig from Amazon. We have a wig from the brand CAITLYN hair. It's a Brazilian virgin deep wave wig. It's in the color 99J and it's 20 inches. And it's a 4x4 lace closure. As you can see, it's human hair pre-plucked and it's 180 density. So the only thing I had to do was bleach the knots. You don't really have to do that unless you really want to. What I'm doing right now is going in with the color concealer palette, and I'm going to blend some of these colors together so that it can also enhance the scalp look. I got this palette from Amazon for about $5.99. They have other palette colors as well, like for different color skin tones. So you do have a choice of which palette you want, or you can order all the palettes. And now I'm going in with the Bold Hold glue, and I'm going to go in and apply a thin layer. And once that layer turns clear, transparent, then I go in with a new layer. I normally do it about 3 or 4 times just to make sure that when I put the wig on, it lasts for a good time, and you know, it doesn't lift up from sweating and things like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and thank you guys so much for joining for a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with a friend. And let's go ahead and get into the video.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so now it's time to install the unit. I'm making sure that I place the 4x4 closure exactly where I want it, in the center of her head, and I'm not worried about the sides or anything like that. I'm just making sure that that 4x4 area is directly where I put the glue. Everything else will be either sewn down on the sides and in the back to keep the wig in place. She's going for the natural look. She didn't want any baby hairs. So the only thing I really have to do is just make sure that her middle part is on point and that the hair look like it's coming out the scalp, and that's about it. And I love that look, especially with the Brazilian waves, because it just makes it look so much natural, like you just woke up, put a part in your hair, and walk out the door. You know, it's gonna be cute. Just stay tuned. And if you don't have a wax stick, you gotta get you a wax stick, because that wax stick really does it for me. Like, it gives it shine and it gives it like a good hold, like it keeps the hair in place. So when you're flat ironing it, and you don't have to worry about, you know, all them flyaways and, you know, the hair switching from one side to the other as you going along your day, the wax stick like keeps the hair together and keeps the flyaways away. So yeah, you gotta get you a wax stick, especially if you want that smooth look, that smooth, clean look, okay?
and your fingers.
Y'all see how it's already giving that natural look? Like, we haven't even added the mousse in the water yet, but it looks so good. And I know some people like to wear their hair like this too. Like, when their hair dry up from the water, conditioner, whatever they put on it, some people don't prefer to keep wetting it all day. They like the poofy afro type of look, you know, poofy, loose curls type of look. And I think that looks good as well. You know, you can rock that sometimes. You know, especially if you're not really going nowhere doing nothing spectacular, you just going to the store. You know, going. I mean, it don't even matter. You can rock it if you want to eat, because it still look cute and natural. Everybody don't like the wet look. So if you don't care for the wet look or don't like it to be wet all the time, then there's options. And now we're listening to Mary J. Just Fine. So she got me over here rocking and rolling with her. And this is my other sister as well. So we always be having fun when I'm doing their hair, laughing and joking and acting a fool. Okay?